praise, glorify, pedestal, honor, elevate.
We gon' elevate and motivate, inspire to be great. Yesterday is yesterday, today is a new day. So if each one can teach one, we can all make a way. Elevate, elevate, elevate and learn. Elevate, elevate, elevate with Verne.
Woo! Welcome to Elevate, Elevate, Elevate with Verne. Thank you for being here, formerly known as Verne's Junk Closet. Today we will be doing an unboxing, if I may. I have no idea who it's from, so we will be seeing together, and please stay tuned. Woo! Welcome back, y'all. We are back. Thank you for being here at Elevate, Elevate, Elevate with Verne. I hope you guys are liking the new channel name, the new information that I'm going to be giving you. You will still get great info, just the same as when you were on Verne's Junk Closet. So with that said, we will be doing an unboxing today. I don't know who it's from. I'm going to open it right here in front of you, so stay tuned. But before we get into that, I want to say thank you for still being on this journey of discovery with me as we elevate and we go up to the next level of social media and business and websites and all these other great opportunities that are coming my way. So I just want to give you some info on what I will be doing, and you can also check out my banner in my About section for more. So if you're looking at my banner, you see it says Elevate with Verne. Of course, we're going to go to the next level together, okay? I'm taking you with me, baby. We all going to win. So it says, I am your elevationist, baby. I'm going to still cheer you on. I'm going to elevate you, and we're going to win together, where I will be giving you knowledge and tips on things that you can do to elevate your life, your mindset, staying in a positive state. Also, it says, I am your motivational speaker, which I am. If you like to book me for an engagement, please hit me up on Facebook under Elevate with Verne, or you can follow me on Instagram and we can talk about it there also. So I'm excited about that new journey that I am embarking on. Also, yo, diva of dialogue, baby, don't get it twisted. That means I am the person that you come to, and I will be reaching out to some of you to do interviews, and we'll be talking about your social media. We'll be talking about your business. We'll be talking about your life, or anything else that you have of uniqueness that you would like to talk about, okay? So make sure you are keeping an eye out and an ear out for me reaching out to you. Or if you like to reach out to me, you can reach me on Instagram, you can reach me on Facebook, or you can reach me through the P.O. box or the email, okay? So the email is still going to be junkcloset2@gmail.com for now. That is not changing yet. You know I am your YouTube cheerleader, baby. That is not changed. I'm going to still give you great YouTube information. But also, on top of that, I am now also your YouTube community cornerstone advisor, baby. Meaning you can come to me all things YouTube because I got you, okay? So, with that said, let's see. Woo! Drum roll, y'all. What is in here? I have no idea. It does not have a name or an address on the envelope, but I'm going to open it right here in front of you, and we shall see together. I'm very excited, and whoever it is, thank you so much for your support, for being here with me, for being my Booski. My Booski. Like, I really don't take this lightly. This is my business. I am a brand, baby. We are elevating, okay? So let's see what I got. It is a card. It says, kindness comes in many forms, but it also comes from the heart. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It says, thank you. Keep shining, love. It's from Debbie Nixon. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful that is. Debbie, thank you. Oh, Debbie Nixon. Listen, I am going to put her information up here on the screen, and I'm also going to link it in the description box. What I'm going to ask you to do is to please go to her channel, review it, look at some of her videos, read her about section. If it's something that interests you, if it's inviting to you, if you like it, it's informative to you, then I'm going to ask you to please thumbs it up, like it, share it out, and hit that subscribe button. And that is for Debbie Nixon. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I appreciate like all the gifts that I get going to my P.O. box, to the messages that I get through either my email or either through Instagram. I appreciate all of that. If you are not, I'm going to ask you to please follow me on social media. You can follow me, and all this information is also in my About section. You can follow me on Twitter, on Facebook, on TikTok, baby. Yes, we took it to the top. You can follow me on Instagram, and of course, right here on YouTube. And a new one is coming soon, baby, a new platform, and I'll let you know about that a little bit later in the month. If you are connecting to me via Instagram, I do a morning devotion and donuts at 7 a.m. Eastern, and you get devotion, you get a positive word where you wake up elevated, baby. You wake up in excitement, baby. Yeah, we be lit in the morning, that early, yes. So we wake up with that, and then we go and get our coffee and donuts, baby. So stay tuned for that. It is 7 a.m. It's called Devotion and Donuts right there on Instagram. And on Mondays, you can find me on TikTok. And we talk about Monday Money Matters, baby. Okay, so join me on those other platforms. I appreciate you guys again. Go follow Debbie Nixon, baby. Tell her Verne sent you. Tell her the Booski compound, baby. We still Team Booski. That has not changed. The only thing that has changed is our name. But in our About section, we'll be talking more about money matters and finance and credit scores and things of that nature, and especially about staying with the positive mindset if you're a business owner. We'll also be talking about other things. So go check out the About section. And I am so excited to be on this journey again. Thank you for being here with me. Stay tuned. We are going to get elevated. Elevate, elevate, elevate with Verne. Thank you guys. Love and light.
Elevate with Verne. Heighten, rise, hoist, promote, upgrade. Elevate, lift, transcend, uplift, jump, elevate, raise, glorify, pedestal, honor, elevate.
We gon' elevate and motivate, inspire to be great. Yesterday is yesterday, today is a new day. So if each one can teach one, we can all make a way. Elevate, elevate, elevate and learn. Elevate, elevate, elevate with Verne.